Hey guys, it's me Eddie. I'm gonna tell you the reason why that Sheldon Donner left YouTube last month and last week. So here we go. Sheldon Donner, I remember that user since last year, and I remember the time that he got terminated last year. He got terminated last year, and on the day that Sheldon Donner make videos of Dan Sobel and others. Well, I do remember Dan Sobel since last year, and I heard that he improved his behavior. And in February 2024, I remember the time that Sheldon Donner got terminated on YouTube. In May 2024, he closed his account, and in June 2024, he got his channel back when he closed his account before. And July 2024, he got terminated on YouTube again for the second time. In February 2024, he got terminated for his first time. For the first time, he got terminated. And I remember the time when Sheldon Donner laughed so hard. Yeah, he laughed a lot. Like, he laughed so hard last year. Yeah. And he was laughing when he watching some Dan Sobel videos. Yeah, Dan Sobel's videos are kind of funny, but the ones are not kind of funny. Yeah. In April 2025, he closed his account again for the second time because I remember when Sheldon Donner closed his account for the first time. And I miss Sheldon Donner because I remember him since last year. And Sheldon Donner was born on May 28th, 2002. And he is 22 years old. Still, he's 22 and a half because his birthday's coming. And he'll be 23 years old this year in the month of May. So please watch this video because it's important because this is all about Sheldon Donner. Why Sheldon Donner left YouTube last week. And I like watching his videos because his videos are kind of funny because he was laughing when he was making the video, like recording the video by the computer or his phone, like and other. And I miss Sheldon Donner, yeah, because he left YouTube last week. I hope he comes back on YouTube soon. And that's all I have to say. This is me, Eddie, sign off.